Greetings, sun seekers. Let's dive into the science behind why we can't live without sunlight. Sunlight is more than just a pretty sky show. It's packed with visible light, ultraviolet UV light, and infrared radiation. This mix of wavelengths does some amazing things. First up, photosynthesis. Plants use sunlight to turn light energy into chemical energy. This process feeds the entire food chain, and no sunlight, no food, no life. Simple as that. But it's not just plants that benefit. We do too. Sunlight helps our bodies produce vitamin D, which is key for strong bones and a healthy immune system. Just remember, too much sun can mean skin cancer, so sunscreen is your friend. Sunlight also plays a big role in our climate. It heats the atmosphere and oceans, driving weather patterns and keeping our planet in balance. And let's not forget renewable energy. Solar power is a clean, green source of electricity that helps reduce our carbon footprint.